People are busier than ever, or at least that's what they tell me. So I've assembled a handy checklist of things to check out before you make the trip to view a property you think you like. Before you even look at an individual property online, ensure that your filters are set properly for your deal breakers that are searchable. If you must have on-site parking or 3 bedrooms, properties that don't have those features should not be coming up on your radar. Now you're going to look at photos anyway, but when you do, look past the decor and the staging and try to spot damaged walls, scratched up floors, try to gauge basement ceiling height or whether the kitchen cabinets are from 1992. A handy tool to let you dive a little further into the condition of the property is a 3D tour, so hopefully the listing agent paid to have one available for the place that you're keen on. One time I had a listing and it was in somewhat rough shape and not exactly livable. When I called all the agents after their showings, so many of them said, "Oh, it's not for my client, they need something livable, it's too much work." The property's condition was clearly visible in the photos and 3D tours, so I was fairly shocked about how many people were wasting their time going to see it in person. Next, you want to check for floor plans and note room measurements from the listing. If you need 3 well-sized bedrooms and the middle one is only 7 feet wide, that home might not be for you. Now it's time to go check stuff beyond the home itself. Go to the Google Maps and check commute time, distance to your parents or your best friend, and proximity to things that are important to you. For some, that's a grocery store or a park, and for others, that's the LCBO. If it's a house you're interested in, use Google Street View to get a feel for the street and see what the neighbor's pride of ownership is like. You can also use the satellite view to locate any items of note that may not show up in the typical map overview, like a nearby high voltage power line. This checklist will make sure that your search is efficient so that you don't waste your precious time viewing a property in person that is a huge letdown. I'm Jamie Harnish, Toronto Real Estate Navigator with Bosley Real Estate. I want to thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you watching. If you are catching this on YouTube, I'd appreciate if you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future upcoming episodes. And if you could like this video to help the algorithm spread it to other people who may find it useful like yourself.